When learning a new skill, many people stumble upon common mistakes that hinder their progress. The first mistake is expecting instant results. Mastery takes time and patience, so don't get discouraged by slow progress. Text overlay, the mistake number 1, expecting instant results. Next, many learners fail to practice consistently. Sporadic effort won't lead to improvement. Regular practice is crucial. Visualize someone diligently practicing an instrument or coding daily. Text overlay. Mistake number 2, inconsistent practice. And lastly, avoiding challenges can stunt your growth. Embrace difficult tasks and push your limits to truly learn. Visuals show someone tackling complex coding or intricate music notes with determination. Text overlay. Mistake number 3, avoiding challenges. Incorporate dynamic visuals and a moderate-paced background track to keep viewers engaged and motivated to overcome these common pitfalls. Embrace patience, consistency, and challenge to succeed in learning a new skill.